Eternalism for Beginners. Unit 4. Overview Quiz. Welcome to our Unit 4 Overview Quiz, where you will deepen your understanding of the Gospel and the philosophy of eternalism. In this short exercise, there are 6 fill-in-the-blank questions and 10 true or false questions, each followed by the correct answer, and a brief explanation. First, a quick note on the next slide. Research in psychology and education suggests that retaining information generally requires 5 to 7 repetitions, with complex material or new terminology often needing 10 to 20. These overview quizzes are designed not to be redundant, but to strengthen retention and support long-term memory. So don't skip them. Each quiz is an important step in mastering the material. In this exercise, fill in each blank with the missing term heading or concept. Question 1. Fill in the missing question. Answer: what is true? Question 2. Fill in the missing question. Answer: what is just? Question 3. Fill in the missing heading. Answer: the 5 branches of philosophy. Question 4. Fill in the missing branch of philosophy. Answer: value ethics. Question 5. Fill in the missing E of eternalism. Answer: eternal laws. Question 6. Fill in the missing E of eternalism. Answer: eternal kingdoms. In this exercise, there are 10 true or false questions. Question 1. Eternalism applies an eternal perspective to 5 core issues of philosophy: what is real, what is true, what is good, what is just, and what is beautiful. Answer: true. Explanation: these 5 questions correspond to the 5 major branches of philosophy, as eternalism addresses them from an eternal perspective. Question 2. According to B.H. Roberts, eternalism means understanding philosophy as being concerned only with mortal temporary matters. Answer: false. Explanation: eternalism emphasizes an eternal perspective on philosophy, focusing on timeless divine concepts rather than temporary worldly issues. Question 3. The question, what is true, corresponds to the branch of philosophy known as epistemology. Answer: true. Explanation: epistemology is the branch of philosophy concerned with the nature of truth and knowledge. Question 4. In the philosophy of eternalism, eternal lives represent the concept of justice. Answer: false. Explanation: eternal lives are associated with ethics, answering the question, what is good? Justice corresponds to the concept of eternal kingdoms. Question 5. The goal of eternalism is to gather scattered teachings into a coherent and systematic philosophical framework. Answer: true. Explanation: eternalism aims to organize the eternal elements of the gospel into a unified philosophical system, aligning with the vision of B.H. Roberts. Question 6. Eternal laws, as discussed in eternalism, relate to the branch of philosophy known as metaphysics, which seeks to answer the question, what is real? Answer: true. Explanation: eternal laws correspond to metaphysics within the eternalism framework, focusing on the nature of reality. Question 7. B.H. Roberts was the first to coin the term eternalism in the 1920s, with its first published appearance around 1930. Answer: true. Explanation: B.H. Roberts developed and first published the concept of eternalism as a philosophical term in this period. Question 8. The 5 E's of eternalism correspond to eternal principles organized in a coherent system, including laws, truths, lives, kingdoms, and worlds. Answer, true. Explanation. These five elements form the structure of eternalism, addressing the core questions of philosophy with an eternal perspective. Question 9. The five core questions of eternalism, what is real, true, good, just, and beautiful, are only intended to address personal beliefs and do not affect societal views. Answer, false. Explanation. These questions shape both individual beliefs and societal values, impacting the overall worldview and leading to societal outcomes. Question 10. Without an eternal perspective, the five core questions of philosophy are believed to maintain their depth and enduring relevance. Answer, false. Explanation. Eternalism suggests that without an eternal perspective, these core questions become temporal and may lose their deeper meaning and relevance. Join us for Unit 5, where we introduce the philosophical stickman. In the meantime, as a further exercise, print out the 3-column chart displaying the entire course overview and put to memory.